Friday. Love me Fridays. Love me Fridays. Love me Fridays. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, we good. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. Love me Fridays. Today is Friday. Love me Fridays. And right here at 1010 Central Avenue in Woodmere, kicking off at 1 p.m. sharp. Free hot dogs, free french fries, free popcorn, the works. Come hungry, come happy. And let's make it another great Free Friday together. And yesterday, it was a big day too. Down in Spotsylvania, Virginia. Thanks to the great, amazing folks over at ACIQ and one of the amazing HVAC contractors in the state of Virginia. This family in need got a brand new 3-ton heat pump system installed for totally free. Zero, zilch, nada, not a fucking penny. And I heard through a little birdie that the homeowner, the husband, man, he made some smoked wings like country style. And they ate like kings. It's awesome. But let me tell you this, what it's all about. What it's all about is giving back to the community and making a real difference, a real impact in people's lives. Damn, it feels good. Now, I wish I would have been there, but I had a wedding last night. Yeah, I know, Mikey fucking Pipes, another fucking wedding. And this morning I woke up a little late. But let me tell you something, it's a few minutes past 7 here in the great communist state of New York. And I'll keep it real with you guys. I may be running on fumes this morning, but I swear, if I have to sit through one more, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But exhausted or not, I mean, I get hit by the cars. Exhausted or not, we gotta keep it moving. Because it's Friday. And I love me Fridays. And John don't like being on camera, so we gotta hide. We gotta hide for John. So make sure, if you live in the communist state of New York, 1 o'clock today, come on down and eat my meat. Eat Mikey's meat on Friday today, 1 o'clock. It's good stuff. Really, really good stuff. Fuck yeah. Aren't you? So ladies and gentlemen, I cannot stress this enough. 1 o'clock today, be here with your hot wife. It says your wife is hot. See that? Be here at 1 o'clock with your hot wife, or bring her alone and suffer the repercussions of that. Amazing stuff, folks. Amazing stuff. All right, I got a couple service calls to run today, and then I got to prepare for Free Friday, but we'll be all right. We'll be all right. It's Free Friday. So don't forget, 1 o'clock today. Catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.